In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com features step by step so you can manage projects, tasks, teams, and workflows like a pro. Whether you're brand new to Monday.com or you've been using it for a while and want to unlock more of its powerful tools, this complete walkthrough will help you understand how everything fits together. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's dive in. Let's start with boards, which are the foundation of your workspace in Monday.com. Think of boards as the place where all your work lives. This could be projects, marketing campaigns, sales pipelines, sprint planning, CRM records, or even personal task lists. To create a new board, click on the plus Add button in the sidebar and select New Board. You'll be asked to choose the board type: Main, which is visible to your entire team; Private, which is only visible to you and invited members; or Shareable, which is great for collaborating with external clients or partners. Once your board is created, you can organize it by adding groups. Groups are sections within your board that help you categorize work, like To Do, In Progress, and Done, or by weeks, departments, or project phases. After that, you'll add columns based on your workflow, such as status, date, people, or numbers. This structure turns your board into a fully customizable workspace. Next, let's talk about items. Items are the individual rows inside your board. Each item represents a task, client, deliverable, or record. To create one, simply click on New Item and give it a name. Then, fill in the details using the columns you've added. You can assign an owner using the People column, set deadlines with the Date column, and update progress with the Status column. When you click into an item, it opens a detailed view where you can post updates, tag teammates, attach files, and see the activity log. This makes collaboration simple and keeps all communication connected directly to the task. Now, let's move on to columns, which help you structure your entire process. To add a column, go to the top right of your board and click Add Column. Monday.com offers many column types. The Status column is perfect for tracking workflow stages. The Date column helps manage deadlines. The People column assigns responsibility. The Numbers column can track budgets, costs, or hours worked. And the Files column allows you to attach documents directly to tasks. Choosing the right combination of columns allows you to customize Monday.com for almost any workflow, whether it's project management, HR, sales, or content production. Another powerful feature is views, which allow you to visualize your data in different ways. At the top of your board, click Add View. The default table view shows your data in a grid format. If you prefer a more visual workflow, switch to Kanban view, where you can drag and drop tasks between columns based on status. For project planning, try the gantt or timeline view, which helps you see task durations and dependencies over time. Views don't change your data, they just change how you see it, making it easier to manage complex projects. Now let's look at dashboards. Dashboards give you high-level insights across multiple boards. To create one, click the Add icon and choose Dashboard. From here, you can pull in data from different boards and visualize it using widgets. Dashboards are great for tracking workload, overall progress, budgets, KPIs, and campaign milestones. You can add chart widgets for visual reports, workload widgets to see team capacity, numbers widgets for totals, calendar widgets for deadlines, and battery widgets to show completion progress. This is especially useful for managers and team leads who need a big picture overview. Finally, let's talk about automations, one of the biggest time-saving features in Monday.com. Automations help reduce manual work by triggering actions automatically. To set one up, open a board and click Automate at the top. You can choose from pre-built templates, also called recipes, or create a custom automation. For example, when a status changes to Done, you can automatically notify a teammate. When a date arrives, you can move an item to another group. When a new item is created, you can automatically assign it to a specific team member. You can even auto-create tasks from templates. These small automations can save hours of repetitive work each week. So to quickly recap, boards are your workspace foundation. Items are your tasks or records. Columns structure your process. Views help you visualize data. Dashboards give high-level insights. And automations save you time. Once you understand how these features work together, Monday.com becomes an incredibly powerful and flexible productivity tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.